Okay, we have the air freshener with diffuser oil. Let's check it out. I currently have a version of this, but it's through Glade. But I love it. I've been using it for years. Decided to try something new. Oh yeah, I can smell it. It smells phenomenal. This stuff smells great. I like it. Okay, so there's different fragrances. There's 3 different fragrances, as you can see by the colors. This is great, though. Whatever flavor this is, it's phenomenal. This is pretty good, too. My favorite is this, and then this, and then this is my least favorite. Okay. Really no directions. Right here, the directions. Easy. Just twist the cap off, put it in, rotate it. Okay. All right, let's give it a try. Put my favorite in. Let's put this in here. There you go. Once you plug it in, I like mine to be kind of subtle. So I guess I'll put it on like the lowest, right above the lowest setting. Plug this in and watch it go to work. Okay. Oh, I like this. You can rotate your plug outlet. Nice. So you put it in, you can rotate it this way, sideways, just in case, depending on the plug type or the plug location. All right, we're going to give this a try. But this fragrance is phenomenal. I'm going to find out what fragrance this is. That's phenomenal.